Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the type of the connector on the eCharge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. In the map section, go to the filter button at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can find six options at the bottom of the page, and just select, for example, the type 3, type 1, CCS, or the GBT, and just select one and click that, and if you finish, click to the apply filter settings. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.